Any short update, black screening, mga fans love ni Alden, Friends for Alden.
First thing, Friends for Alden for this black screening. Maraming salamat. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo yung buong film. I hope you get the chance to take something from it after watching. And maraming salamat. And can I ask for one group photo po, Pete Banda? Okay lang po, just stay in your seat po.
Sobrang sipag ni Alden eh. Saka pa,
Grabe.
Alden, the trendsetter.
And so, syempre, unang-una sa lahat. Pangalawa sa lahat. Thank you sa Alden Trendsetters for this block screening. And syempre, I would like to take this opportunity to thank this group. I mean, Alden Trendsetters, you know,
Sobrang gabi, black screening ni
laking
Alden.
tulong nila for me when it comes to acquisition of data, yung mga tinatanong kong metrics minsan, kayo yung nakakasagot most of the time. Thank you for making my, yung social media presence ko always present. Kasi alam naman natin, hindi ako masyadong ma-social media, but you guys, you continue to make my presence felt, and malaking tulong sa akin yun. And I'm really proud to say that you're not really asking anything in return, which is I appreciate. Kumbaga yung pagpunta lang dito, yung pag-send lang kahit paano ng small video messages to thank you guys. I mean, I think yun talaga yung genuine love that you give me. And ito, kung presence ko ngayon pagpunta dito, it's just a small way to say thank you and to show you guys how I appreciate you so much. So maraming salamat. Thank you for the love. Thank you for always making me feel loved with the things that you do. And know that I appreciate all the efforts. Nakikita ko, mahilig lang ako mag-scroll pero hindi ako mahilig mag-post. So, thank you so much for everything that you have done for me in the past years that we've been together. And here's to more. Thank you guys. Thank you, Alden Trendsetters. And thank you to everyone who attended the Black Screen. Maraming salamat po.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. And this is Richard, the Antrim Live. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.